wins. No, you do. It's not.
Yeah, it is.
That's
See? That's what I mean? That's how you get better. Hey, who's watching Jose home tonight? No, for real.
Are you really recording this shit, Ryan?
Bird wanted me to.
Why the fuck you guys this gay?
Put that shit on YouTube. Shit burning or what?
Low-key.
I got to in your face tonight.
Hey, want that rematch?
You gotta take
I
shots.
haven't skated today. My board's here, but I haven't skated.
Why?
Getting buzzed, aren't you? Getting buzzed.
Hey, I already know you're dizzy right now.
Yeah, right. You gotta keep your composure.
How am I dizzy? I'm walking normal.
Yeah, I say so with my suggestion.
I talk like that too when I'm...
Nah, well, I'm being serious.
Oh, fuck. Hey, still,
Hey, you need to shut the fuck up.
No, you can't tell them what tricks to do.
Alright.
Slow.
Uh-oh.
That's a shot.
Ah.
Yeah, he thought that shit. That's a shot. They're playing for shots. Where you were?
Maybe you should say it louder so my mom can hear.
I don't care.
Dylan, calm down. Dylan, go home.
What are you doing?
You fucked up our high.
What are you doing?
You ain't even
For real, what grade are you in? 9? No, 10. He's in 10th grade.
You're a sophomore?
Yeah.
See, Dylan, by this time, you don't act like that no more. You don't care about what your parents say.
Nigga, you never go to work.
Well, yeah,
that
you're
was supposed to be the good one.
You're supposed to until 6th grade.
No, actually, till 8th. Y'all
Like
niggas are stupid as fuck.
New Year's.
Niggas are still going through.
I was buzzed.
Niggas are going through.
The one who got in fucking trouble because his ass was passed out on the toilet, but that's a whole other subject.
Hey, you gotta roll it out, dude.
We're actually not. What? You got it because you ran out of room to roll.
He did get it.
He did it over here too.
Hey, fool. Pop those motherfuckers. Pop that shit, fool. Catch
Oh, that's
shit
4
in there,
now?
too. And then when you pop them, fool, then you roll it, you're able to roll it away,
4?
switch, those shits look
This
clean,
will be
any
5?
line, I swear.
That's 10, right?
How's it? It's 4.
4 shots in the beer.
Beer?
Oh, yeah.
Where's your homeboy at?
It's been 12 minutes, yeah.
Marcus, you gonna play for shots?
Does he know where he's going?
My stomach's hurting right now.
Yeah, it's
Why?
I think it's shit.
They're not toilet paper here.
Those two people have really good choice. Shit, what the fuck else is that supposed to mean?
Hey.
Hey, you guys should have put buzz.
Can I go for it?
Man, you guys are gonna get fucked up.
No, they're not. They're big boys. They can handle a couple shots.
Play skate out there.
Bird's getting drunk already. I can see his face.
That's etiquette.
Honestly,
Yeah.
it's better if he gets drunk because he just feels I don't know, skating and getting drunk is just like, goes together.
Ah, fuck.
Just like smoking and speed.
Yeah, it's like as soon as the level of terror comes down, it's good. Especially if you skate some people like why not let it pass?
Whose cup is it?
Birds.
One of ours.
Daniels. What happened?
Should I put this on YouTube?
They're gonna get talked about.
That's
Those niggas suck.
not my problem.
We're about to get talked about.
Hey man, don't quit my belly.
Marcus. Marcus is gonna be topless on fucking YouTube.
Over here, quoting
I'm
Marcus.
down. Hey, how you doing?
We can't even see you.
Very okay. Alright,
Wait,
hold
she's
on.
done.
Check it out.
Wait, Marcus!
And he couldn't even land it.
Oh, did you fucking see that on camera? And he's sitting like
Alright, when she gets out the bed, I'll do it. Hey, you gotta do something
You should
bigger.
film this when we're high.
Oh yeah, I'll do it.
Y'all are taking those shots.
Marcus ain't about that life.
Bro, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. All right, come on. Someone go.
That's why I show on Bad Girls Club.
What?
Yeah, that's why I show on Bad Girls Club. Everyone goes like, they ain't about that life. They ain't about that life. Yes, I'll do it. Bad Girls Club? Huh? What's up, cowboy? My girlfriend, man.
Hey, I'm going to Six Flags, my nigga, in 2 weeks. What happened to that road trip you guys were going to take?
I didn't never say shit.
Marcus. Where were you supposed to go?
That's here, eh?
I already went.
Yeah?
Yeah, remember?
Eh?
When on Wayne's birthday, I went to Los Angeles.
I did not know that. I've been here waiting for you to be gone for like a week.
No, I remember how I kept telling you guys I was going to Los Angeles?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I went.
You only went for a couple days?
I went for 5 days.
That's why you weren't around.
Yeah, I took some fucking fat everybody.
But I wasn't around either, so
We're not even halfway done with that bitch. Alright, check it out.
Oh my god. I don't give a fuck about this game no more. And I'm telling Jackie, bro.
I got Jackie on speed dial, my nigga.
That he drinking.
you don't like them drinking or what?
Nigga, they both lied to each other and say that we're not gonna drink and they fucking are drinking. Regardless. That whole relationship is built on lies. I heard that shit like halfway through.
Yeah, I think someone else got to start pouring.
This shit's about to take forever to upload. It's almost like a 10-minute video.
Huh?
This is like a 10-minute video almost. It'll take like 10 minutes to upload.
Hey, move that bike out the way.
Nigga, that nigga's balls.
What was in the way?
Hey, the bike in the way builds character.
You hit that chain, my nigga, you ain't gonna
Hey, hurry up! I got like 20% of battery life left.
Hey, fuck. Hey, stop filming. Fuck this game, man.
I want to put it on YouTube.
We're trying to fucking save this video until we get high on YouTube.
High on YouTube?
Whatever, high on fucking whatever.
We actually should record that shit.
That's what I'm saying. That's like Wayne recording down ass game.
That's cool. I'll keep a discharger real quick. Yeah, it count.
That's good.
Yeah, he's like, yeah. Hey. Nice try.
Time for the big boy trick.
Oh.
Ollie? I hear all these are hard to do.
Yeah, stop recording, right?
You guys, did you
Marcus,
What is it, 8 a game?
sign us out.